This is 2016. It's the Audi S5 package with the 3.0 V6 supercharged engine. We just installed some nice black staggered tips there. Took the factory mufflers off. Did a delete in the back. Also took the mid muffler off to put a true X pipe there in place of the factory dual in, dual out mid muffler. Left all the converters on there as usual. Left it all stock. Should wake it up quite a bit. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, it might break some glass. You gotta be careful here. It might break my phone.